Sweet. I just got an email while I was dropping some scrap off at work. Got my Weathertech window guards, and my Borla exhaust from FedEx. Waiting on UPS, gonna get my rims delivered today, waiting on tires next week. I'm gonna get this exhaust installed, and I think I'll do a before and after sound. Everyone knows what they sound like, but I'm gonna go ahead and do that for my car anyway. Alright, there's the old exhaust. It took me about 20 minutes to do. Nice tip there. No exhaust. One pro tip I found from other mechanical work is if those bolts are seized, when you're trying to get something apart, hit it with some map gas. Alright, so I drove it around the block, warmed it up a little bit. Overall, I do like the tune, the throatier tune. I didn't want too crazy because I have an audiophile quality system set up in the car, and I don't want to interfere with the music. I didn't hear it much inside the car. With the windows down, I could hear it. Definitely sounds throatier.